What's up, online shoppers? Lately I've been hearing a lot about the benefits of mushrooms, but it was so overwhelming trying to figure out which supplement I wanted to try. Well, this company, Second Spring Wellness, provided me this sample in exchange for me doing a review. Now, I will assure you my thoughts and my reactions are my own, but let's take a look at this. Wouldn't it be nice to have all the benefits in one capsule? Let's open it up and take a look at the supplement itself. This is the benefit of taking this kind of supplement. Here are the supplements right there. In the bottle, you get 60 of these capsules with the suggested serving side on the back saying 2 capsules a day. Now, the capsules themselves are really nice, reasonable size. They look like they're going to be easy to swallow, and they are an easily dissolved gel cap, so you don't have to worry about taking some pill. You've got this really nice, smooth, silky gel cap that's just going to slip down when you take it. Now, this is a 7 mushroom blend, and it has the following mushrooms in it: lion's mane, chaga and maitake, shiitake, reishi, turkey tails, and cordyceps. All 7 of those mushrooms in one single supplement. Now, this one here is called an adaptogenic formula, and there are many benefits to your immune system. The added benefit is you don't have to take these with food, so there's no fuss, no muss with this supplement in your system. If you were looking to start incorporating a mushroom supplement in your daily routine, this one here is great because it has 7 different mushrooms, all contained in one easy to swallow capsule. Definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.